What you doing, Pablo? Pablo, what you doing? You absolute Nimrod, what you doing? Pablo, wait in my car. Look at those feet. Yeah. Are you a good boy? Are you a good boy? You gonna help me with my plants? Hey? You're crackers. Do you know that? Absolutely crackers. What? You can't bite my finger. No, you can't bite my finger. Fruit Loop. Yeah, you know what? Sometimes cats are just not the brightest of animals, are they? Bless. Hey. Hey. Good boy. Good boy. You can help me with my plants? You can help me with my plants? No, you're just gonna sit there and scratch the fuck out of my car. Yeah, alright. Little git.